So this is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. My Rubik's Cubes is gone. It's missing. I still need to find it. Do you think we're gonna be cool tomorrow? I don't know. Let's just see. Hi. After 1 week of not going to school, we're gonna go to school. And it's not my morning clock time. So sleepy. We're ready for school. This is our outfit. I'm Kalibangan. Am I ready for my report? I don't know. Let's see where it will help me, you know.
Number 1 sa mechanics.
Ayo, ang number 2, nara to sa libro.
Sa dynamics? Oh, mo partner ta.
I testify. Napakasarap, napaka-juicy, napaka-crispy ng chicken.
Baliktad, napaka-crispy, napaka-juicy.
To 4 p.m. Amin naman guys, isa pa nang gihulat. Nandito na tayo.
Alam mo ko, pag-endorser ang phone case.
Hi.
Because table ba? Ano pa si Grilly sa hindi?
And I wanted to add it onto the laptop, but I don't know how to connect the phone in the laptop.